This nigga pulled out the reverse card and he said reverse.
Yes, I think. Yeah. Wait, how do you do the free cam, bro?
Press F,
Ooh.
and then you could space moves it up. Control.
Ooh, that was close.
What's the predictions? What's the predictions?
It's it.
I say Tate.
I say Tate 15-10, 15-11.
Okay.
Yo, can't lose to Magic, bro.
Ooh.
You lose to Magic, you have a problem.
Yeah, he's drunk right now too, bro.
No excuses. I stopped drinking early.
Yeah, I got on earlier. Jay was like, yo, I'm already a cup and a half in.
I get that shit out the way.
Just to keep running
Oh,
the
you seen him?
same
Oh, he didn't see him.
into each other.
Ooh.
That's card timing.
Magic playing a little different though now.
That is.
Yeah,
Look
he's
at him,
slowing
he's-
down a little bit.
He's not playing how he normally plays.
He's using his corners.
Did
He
they
wants
change?
a dub. He wants that dub.
Did they change something in the breaking of the glass? Like I noticed now you can't just like walk up to it and break it.
No, you
He
have
can.
to like jump. You have to
gotta
jump.
rush. You gotta rush.
Yeah, you gotta rush through it. Before you
Oh,
could just
you
walk
mean you
right
can't
through it.
walk through it? Yeah, no.
You gotta attack sprint through
You
it.
gotta, you gotta be sprinting or.
But before you could just walk through
melee
it.
that bitch.
Yeah, you gotta
they
smack
fixed
it
it.
or run.
He just slid
you saw
across
him.
the door.
You saw him.
He heard the glass. Why he going the other way though? You heard glass. Oh,
No.
God.
He was looking right
Magic.
at him.
I don't
He's probably
understand
like
that.
D.
Big
I
glass on
got
your
the
right.
headphones backwards.
There we go.
It was panic running. That's what it was. It was panic running.
Now they lined them up before he took it.
Ooh.
Okay. That's where he's gonna beat him, bro. When they push like that.
The delay on the pull up on the gun.
Oh my god, bro.
Damn.
His eyes.
Timing.
He saw him though. He saw him.
That death was brought to you
Did
by
it show
Modelo.
on his screen?
Brought to you by Modelo.
Yeah,
You heard
Magic
him,
saw
you heard
him.
Ooh, got
Why
his
does he keep
toes.
looking away?
Got his
He
toes.
almost missed that one up.
It's that double vision.
What's that lag?
He doesn't know if he's seeing phantom tates or not.
Server's going down again? What happened?
No, no.
I think my game might have crashed. Yeah, I get it done.
Oh, the stream crashed. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, here
Yo,
we
Logic,
go.
Logic, you playing Helldivers?
Nah, how is it? You like it?
Yeah, bro, that shit's fire, bro.
Ooh, okay.
Magic's playing all outside now.
All right.
Damn.
Shit.
Go to the
Isn't that
left
like
side.
Spaceship Troopers?
5-5.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
I
like
was gonna
that.
say, I was watching the preview and I was like, that's Spaceship Troopers. I love the way that commercial went.
Yeah. It's so fire, though. I like it.
What's the name of the game?
Helldivers 2?
Helldivers 2.
Oh, on
What
Steam?
game is it?
Yes. It's on Steam
Like-
and PlayStation.
FPS?
This is not even anymore.
He's fucking straight.
Volume.
Thought they're slowing down a little bit.
They just running the outside.
Yeah. That's what they're doing.
That's all me and Mads did for the longest time. Neither of us wanted to go through the house. The first 5 or 6 kills, that's all him and I did. We go around the house.
Magic.
Yeah,
Magic baited
none
us.
of the glasses. None of the glasses were broken till
Not
mid-match.
one for half mid-match. Yeah.
Magic don't want to leave that corner.
Yeah, now he's hiding. Now he's in his little pocket. Safe here.
Yo, Tate got to know though. There you go. It's the only spot he didn't check outside. Go. Boom.
Hey,
Damn.
13-5.
Damn.
Who's up?
Tate.
Now the one game I'm playing is Skull and Bones.
You like it?
It's not everybody's cup of hot tea. I know people that like to do all the hunting and all that shit.
Ooh, hitmonkers. You know Magic Smith.
It's
Those
more of a
shots,
relaxing
those
game
shots.
for me.
That's the pirate one, right?
Oh, it's,
Yeah.
It's co-op as well too, right?
Yeah, you can play with 3 people and shit like that.
One thing that scares me is just that it's Ubisoft.
It's
Ubisoft
one of
is
my
not bad, dude.
It's not that bad. Some people were saying like they wanted more like Assassin's Creed Black Flag. It's not like that
It's not like that.
at all.
Ooh.
Yeah, I thought that was fire. That
Yeah, Black Flag
It's
was
not
fun.
like that
That's
at
where they
all.
got
Like
that's where they got the idea from.
I thought it
The
was
only-
like Sea of Thieves, so it's not like Sea of Thieves.
That's
In
like
terms of just the concept.
I never played Sea of Thieves
Hey.
to that point, but I think it's almost like Sea of Thieves because you
Tate, close it
can't
up.
attack anybody when you're on land.
those are Magic.
Tate,
This is
come on,
probably
Tate. Slow it down. Slow it down.
Oh.
Ubisoft.
Game.
There we go.
Oh.
GG's.
Speaking of Ubisoft, is anybody gonna be playing
Good game, fellas.
Yeah, I want to play that.
The fuck is that?
Exit Lights?